Hello and welcome back. I'm here to continue working on my rainbow journal. I was flipping through and I thought, do I want to work on the clips or do I want to add some mixed media color? And I thought, you know what, let's do some color and then maybe next time go through and work on the things I have clipped in. So as I've been kind of working in the journal, I thought maybe it'd be fun to add on the gesso pages just a little bit of watercolor to add to that section of the book. So I pulled out some Distress ink in my little cubes. I have Barn Door, Spiced Marmalade, Fossilized Amber, Shabby Shadows, Stormy Sky, and Wilted Violet. So these are the colors of my rainbow that I'll be using. And oh gosh, I'm opening, crashing. What I haven't done in a while is the little smoosh technique. I don't know if there's a different name for it, but I wanted to kind of give this a try and see what it looks like in the journal. So this is just a itty bitty piece of plastic packaging, and then I smushed the color on my mat, on my glass mat, and then I'm just going to take the packaging and smush it into the color. And then I'm going to take that and just add a little bit of red onto this page, like that. And then I also have, because I wasn't sure which way I wanted to go, I also have a paintbrush. I could paint on some color, but I think I'm just going to go with the smooshing. And I also have some paper towel. I'm wondering if, now that I'm looking at it while it's drying, if I want to add a different color of red. Let's just kind of give that a try. And then I might use my heat gun, so I'll turn this down. I think that's all I really want to do on the pages. Yeah. Just a little bit of color is all I was kind of thinking. All right. So then this one, I have a belly band, so I don't know. Oh, I don't know. We could add a little bit. Just around the edge. And so now, is this still red? Yeah, okay, so this is still red. Let's do another color. Let's try a brick. Let's see what that looks like. And the reason that this is doing okay with the water is there is gesso. I added gesso to the backs of the pages. I have some glimmer mist. Add a little bit of that, and that will give it a nice sparkle. Yeah, that's not bad. And then we'll put something, you know, to kind of go with that. All right, that looks good. Just a little color to kind of go with that part of the book. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the glimmer mist just gives it a little sheen. It's kind of fun. That looks good. Just a little bit of color on those other pages. This one has the glimmer mist. That one has a little bit. As I was doing it, I realized if I smush 3 different colors and kind of separate them, I liked that look better. That one has quite a bit. And there's the last page. All right, so now let's work on some paper clips. We'll come back to this page. Let's work on this one. I want to make it a pocket that goes this way. Let's look at a paper doll. I don't know if I want her sitting or someone standing. Oh, this is fun. But he's like a, could be the TWA boarding pass person. Oh my gosh, there's so many fun ones. Maybe he looks a little angry, like he's late to board. Same with him. Get me on the plane already. Seeing if there's another hat that looked. I think I'm gonna go with him. It's fun with his hat and suit. I know it's more of a, probably a train. Wouldn't it be a plane, that's for sure. And he's, whoa, oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. He's fun. And somewhere I have my this paper pad. Maybe there's something we can put behind him. What about a fish? Would a fish be funny or crazy? Kind of thinking a fish. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Let's do the smaller fish. I was gonna do a flower, maybe a fish. Can't get too serious with the rainbow journal. Maybe I need the bigger fish. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Am I crazy? I might be crazy. I love the fish though. Is that good? Do we want something else? Oh my goodness, I think that's awesome. Okay. Oh, that's funny. I just noticed this. Destination is Phoenix. That's cool. Maybe I don't want to cover Phoenix. Kind of like the fin over his hand. That's funny too. Trim this off. I'm going to put this fin up here. Like this fish had already swam by. Oh gosh. Ta-da! Alright, let's put this on our page. What to do? I kind of want to glue it so it's just a tuck. I might just do that and then make a tag to fit. One of these would work if I trimmed it down. This one is from the index card mixed media kit that I wasn't expecting that I was gonna do, and it just kind of happened. So this one's available in my Etsy shop. To add those black lines in that I just cut off. A little more glue. Okay, good. not sure about this page yet. Put a tag here, but I don't know which tag yet. Come back to that. All right, let's do this one. Kind of want this to be glued down here. And then I'm going to trim off the top of this to make this a pocket. Cardwork here, maybe. Yeah, we can add a topper to it. I kind of want to put it, so I'm not totally covering everything up, but like that. Come on. Come on, glue. Oh my gosh. What was that? There we go. And then you can still read bingo. I think I'm gonna staple. There we go. I just think that that's good. I'm not gonna mess because I want to see that stuff. Don't know about this page. We'll come back. All right, do I want to do this one? I think I want to think about how I'm going to do that one. So we'll come back to that.